Two giants in business finance software, Sage Intacct and SAP Concur, going head-to-head. Which one actually streamlines your operations? On one side, Sage Intacct, renowned for cloud-based accounting, and on the other, SAP Concur, a household name in expense and travel management. We'll stack them up in real-world scenarios that matter: features, integration, user experience, support, pricing, and more. Forget the marketing lingo. Let's see how each one really performs where it counts. Each round, we're awarding points, so you'll know exactly which tool earns the crown. And trust me, the winner may not be who you're expecting. Let's get into it. Here's our game plan. We're looking at pricing, core focus, usability, integrations, reporting, compliance and security, and of course, global capabilities. So yeah, it's pretty much a showdown in every area that matters. Okay, kicking off with pricing. Sage Intacct? It's pretty transparent and you can kind of pick and choose your modules, which honestly is a huge relief for SMBs not looking to break the bank. But heads up, if you start adding features, the price can creep up. Now, SAP Concur? It's definitely built for scale, and if you're a massive company, that can make sense. But here's the thing, pricing is way more opaque and you usually have to go through this whole quote process. So if you're a smaller org, it gets kind of pricey, not gonna lie. So Sage Intacct takes this one. Next up, core focus. Sage Intacct comes in strong with robust financials, serious accounting muscle, and reporting automation. But, and this is big, they don't actually have their own travel and expense setup built in. SAP Concur, on the other hand? It's like the industry go-to for T&E, and it plays nice with those big ERP systems, but don't expect a full accounting suite. So, different strengths, and honestly, this one's a tie. Scalability time. And oh man, Sage Intacct really surprised me here. The UI is clean, intuitive. It genuinely feels modern. Performance? Super snappy in the cloud. Sure, there's a learning curve if you go really deep, but nothing wild. SAP Concur? It's everywhere and the mobile app is decent, but like navigating some of those workflows feels clunky, especially compared to Sage. Plus, it just looks a bit dated. So Sage Intacct wins in usability for sure. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Sage Intacct was actually the first cloud accounting system ever endorsed by the AICPA? That's like accountant level street cred right there. Alright, integrations. Sage Intacct impresses with an open API and connects to a lot. CRMs, payroll, and yes, Concur itself if you want to go hybrid. But to be real, it's not as loaded with pre-built connectors as some competitors. SAP Concur? Classic SAP move. They cover everything you could want for ERP and HR systems, and the partner network is strong. Although, I gotta say, setting up those integrations isn't always plug and play. This one is honestly a tie. Both have solid integration stories, just with different vibes. Reporting. Sage Intacct is, like, made for people who want to slice and dice every number. You get pretty wild, customizable, multi-dimensional reports, and those real-time dashboards could actually excite you. But if you want the fancy stuff, there's a bit of a setup involved. SAP Concur, meanwhile, covers the basics for T&E and compliance, but step outside that, it starts feeling a little shallow. Gotta hand it to Sage Intacct on this one. Compliance and security now. Super important for any business. Sage Intacct is basically checking all the boxes with AICPA, SOC1, SOC2, GDPR. SAP Concur has your back too, especially with all the tax and regulatory stuff if you're global. Sometimes though, you need some serious setup for region-specific rules. Overall, both are on point, so this one's tied. Global capabilities. Now, Sage Intacct gives you solid multi-entity and currency support, but if you need like huge, robust global payroll, not quite there yet. SAP Concur though, this is its home turf worldwide expense, super handy mobile features, the works. It does have some localization hiccups, but between the two, SAP Concur is the real MVP for global companies. If you map out their strengths side by side, you'll see Intacct crushes it in financials, usability, and reporting, while Concur totally dominates global and travel expense management. There's not really a one-answer-fits-all here. So here's the deal. If cloud accounting and reporting are what you need, Sage Intacct's your best bet. But if your team spends a ton on travel and you need those global T&E workflows, SAP Concur is straight up built for you. Different champs for different games. If you found this breakdown helpful, let me know by subscribing. And hey, I've got way more business tech reviews coming your way, so stick around.